I think you're muted. So.
No, I'm not muted. What's going on, everybody? What's the deal? I was just trying to count the pips here. Probably we're not gonna take it off this 2 hour. Just gonna flip here. Yep, there's the flip. I was looking for a 2 hour with a bit of a steeper pullback, but created a bottom wick here, flip bullish. If it re-breaks the bottom wick, there's a chance the 2 hour starts coming down to flip. So, how's everyone doing? Glad to see everyone here. I've been up for a while. Been to school and back, and school and back. Good day. How's the baby?
Hey, good morning. She's doing really well, actually. We're actually going to be staying in the hospital for an additional day. We're waiting on blood work for the mom. And by law, cannot let us leave unless we have that specific stuff, for all the STDs and everything.
And then you gotta drive cross country.
No, and then we're actually, I have an apartment here as well. I have two places.
You have an apartment in Spain?
Yeah, of course. And it's 5 minutes away from the hospital. And so once we have the information, we found out the blood of the baby is the same as the mom, A negative. So the mom does not get the vaccine.
Do you Airbnb that place?
No, I do not.
You just keep it empty.
Yeah, not because we go there very regularly. So I go there once a month. There's
Some people are psycho.
Sorry, no, I that was Bianca crying. Sorry about that. No, I do not rent it out because I go there regularly, once a month, twice a month. We go there, spend the weekend, things like that, just to relax. So I won't have enough time. And anyways, it's not expensive because it's Huelva, so it's quite cheap over there. It's not like Madrid or Barcelona or anything of that nature.
Nice.
So, yeah, we're staying here at least till tomorrow. And then we might stay until Friday in the end, and then come back on Friday after work and everything. I have to manage the time. It's a little complicated, but thank you for asking.
All right. Oh, gotta be careful here. We can plummet here. We've broke the low. We created a bottom wick, flip, broke the low, and then we flipped again. If we break the low right now, it might look at this 5 range. It breaks the support. It's heading down to 29.13. If it breaks up, there's an immediate resistance right after our resistance, but if it breaks down, there's quite a bit of room to go. Oh. Full 8 hours of sleep? I haven't had full 8 hours of sleep in years. It's been years. Was I waiting for a steeper wick? Yeah. Why are you waiting for a steeper wick? Because that's where the bounce is. There's nothing here. What's over here? resistance maybe, but no, not an area you drive off of. There's no wicks bouncing into this area. There's nothing. No closures at that area coming up. And it hasn't driven, as you can see. Ow. Fuck. Damn it. Spilled a whole bunch of weed. Fucking grinder fell out of my hands. This is crazy. Damn. Oh, I ain't cleaning that up. That's the job for the Roomba bot. He gonna be high as hell cleaning that up. About to just light my floor on fire. Aromatherapy. You know how that goes. Yeah, that shit's all over the floor. I leave it like this. 3 days from now, there's gonna be fucking indica growing through the floorboards. About to water my floor. See what the fuck happens. That's crazy though. Oh well. Leave it, it'll turn into mushrooms? Yeah, or into evidence. One of the two, right? So no, I don't think I'm gonna leave it. Coming for that bottom wick, or is this the 2-hour flip happening after a 4-hour didn't, or a 4-hour flip happening after it didn't leave a bottom wick? After it didn't leave a top wick. It's a 9-pip wick on a 4-hour candle. Not much. Alright, let's get the intro going, and after that, we will be back in here. Give me a minute. This is a story about life, about struggle, about success. Not just mine, but yours too. Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day.
time, energy, choices. That's life. That's trading. I wasn't always here. I wasn't always the guy you see on your screen. I started out just like most people, uncertain, broke, doubting the system, doubting myself. But one thing kept me going, the belief that life's biggest opportunities aren't given, they're taken, and I took mine. See, trading isn't just about charts, candles, or currencies. It's about discipline, patience, and the courage to bet on yourself. It's about understanding that every loss is a lesson and every win is a stepping stone. It's about the grind, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, and that voice in your head telling you to keep going when the rest of the world says stop. But let me tell you something. This journey didn't start with success. It started with failure. More failures than I can count. I remember sitting in front of my screen, watching the markets eat me alive, thinking maybe this isn't for me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't about the markets. It was about me. My mindset, my choices, my willingness to adapt, to learn, and to grow. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. It forces you to face your fears, your doubts, and your limits. But it also shows you your potential if you're brave enough to see it. I'm here now because I refuse to quit, because I learned to see every loss as a stepping stone, every setback as a setup for a comeback. And if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Success isn't about getting it right all the time. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. This isn't just a stream. This is a movement. A space where we don't just talk about markets. We talk about life, about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just as a trader, but as a person. Because the truth is, the charts don't care about you, but this community does. I do. And together, we're gonna rise. So, take a deep breath, clear your mind, and get ready. This is where traders are made. This is where dreams are built. And this is where your story begins. Let's get it.
Căn bản là chưa.
stream buffering for everybody? Or just select few? Changed the resolution in the widget. I don't know. Suffering from buffering. You're gonna need a second PC? No, I shouldn't need a second PC. This, like, my setup is more than enough to handle streams. So it's something in, oh wow, we would have sniped this. It's something in the settings or the way it's set up. I need like a professional producer or something. That professional, I'm a retail setter upper. I need a pro to do this. Wow, that was really lovely. You can't take that there after that initial bottom wick and the flip. It created a top wick, then came down to re-break the bottom wick. And it flipped the 4-hour bearish here. So the 4-hour flipped bearish with the previous one not having much of a top wick and still didn't drive. I mean, still didn't come down. Which tells me oh yeah. And that 15 and that 30 closed bearish, yeah, there's no way we would have held this. Spot gold looking almost the same. What I've noticed is on spot gold and on futures, whenever we have like a weak candle, they're opposite. Like, see, it's a bullish candle here, weak doji bullish. On spot, it's a weak doji bearish. Like, weak candles can be in either direction. Volume candles will typically print the same. All right, let's drop some levels. God, yesterday was an ugly day. Okay, we're looking for a closure above here. Above 2921.8. If we can get a closure above there, we will look for bottom of countries. Looks as that morning motivational / mindset speech downloadable. You can clip it. I mean, I have it as a sound, but I've never posted it for download. I'll probably, you can clip it, but I'll probably release it with as a background to a video. The speech is in the clubhouse, and I guess somebody clipped it already and posted it in the clubhouse. Yeah, I'm trying to come up with a video for it. There was quite a few people doing it, but no one reached back out to me that it was done or something. But it's not like on my actual to-do list. Like at some point I want to get that done, but it's not a priority. I started a video, reached back out and was ignored. I'm sorry. Might have been during the intake times. So like, cause I got there's an insane amount of messages that I get for some reason. Private messages, and yeah, my team usually runs the Discord, so if they might have missed it or they saw it and left it for me, I don't know what happened. Because you're still hitting the gym? Of course. I posted like 3 videos from the gym yesterday. Oh, stop playing with him. Stop playing. Quit playing with him. Does anyone know if I changed the bit rate in my Does anyone know if I changed the bit rate in my OBS? Will that affect the stream? No, I mean, like, will it mess up the stream if I change it right now? Like if I change the bit rate right now, will it change the... If you drop it from 30,000 to 15,000, let's say. Okay, so my yeah, it shouldn't change anything but the quality of the video, but will it change? Will it then stop buffering for you guys? Because maybe the quality is too high. It says my bit rate is at 40,000 right now. I'm about to drop it to 15,000, see what happens. You need to change the video resolution. So I'm going to the video resolution settings. Oh, you know what I have to change? The output resolution, which I cannot change midstream. There's a base canvas resolution, and then there's an output scaled resolution that's at 4K right now. And I can't change it unless I close the stream. Yeah, I just changed the bitrate from 40,000 to 15,000. But I got to change the actual resolution from 4K to HD. Anyone with lag, just change your quality and settings. Wow, what a rejection off this level. The 4 hour might flip again. Zoom door? Whoa, a lot of people at the Zoom door. Come on in. But it's not for everybody. Majority of people are having a pretty good resolution here. Next time somebody asks me what my New Year's resolution was, I'll tell them 4K. Straight up. Since when the 4 hour candle close is different than usual and why? The 4 hour close differs from broker to broker. If you're on spot gold, it just really depends on what rollover time your broker runs on. But on futures, it's a centralized price, and on futures that runs from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Service providers cap your internet speeds. Yeah. Then you got no choice but to trade cap USD. Be careful with your size lot since you took the... I had the wrong lot size because in the evenings I'm testing out a new bot for signals. It's just YouTube today. I'm having other streams running by side too. They ain't buffering at all. It's just here. I mean, you guys want me to restart the stream? We can restart this. It's only for a select few though. It's not for everybody. Okay, gang, we got 2 minutes for this 1 hour close. You gotta refresh every few seconds. Go to Starbucks or use your phone. I need to close below 29.15 for a range 2 breakout to look for sells. How's that range too? Because I don't mark off the minor ranges within here, but it'll be a range to breakout. It'll be actually a bit lower, but Let's do a poll. Are you marking off all lower time frame range? No, I don't mark them off, but I keep in mind that it's a range. Like, to me, that's kind of irrelevant, so I keep it like this because I know there's no trading in here. That was an ugly closure up there. Just indecisive hourly candle. The 4-hour has flipped bearish. The 4-hour on spot gold is creating a bottom wick. Gotta wait. Gotta wait, gotta wait, gotta wait. Ah, damn it. I don't know who invited the cold today. It's so cold, I opened the door for Benny to go outside. He walked up to the door, looked outside. This pee thing in me until it gets warmer. Yeah, he walked up to the door, looked at me, and turned right the fuck around and went and laid down on the couch. tired of cold out here. Take the shit with you. Yeah, the lack of heat. Isn't sunny in Miami? Yeah, it's sunny right now. Sometimes it'd be sunny and raining at the same time. It's sunny, but it's cold out. That sun ain't doing nothing. This fool's go. You look outside through the window, and it looks like a hot day. He's old for everything. Fuck you guys. Fuck you guys. So mean. You live in Miami? Yes. Yeah, that's a turban emoji? That's crazy. Luck in here, chat. I'm going to take a sell right here. Just took a sell. And I'm going to take another sell right here. Next possible sell. Taking a sell right there. As we made a top wick here on the 5. Right off our area. Just took a sell off here. Got 3 minutes here left on the 15. Let's see if the 5 can fill the wick down here. Let's just see what happens. Three minutes left on this 15 candle. Sell right here. 15 flip here? No, the 15 didn't flip. Wow, what a pullback. That was what? That was a 90 pip drop and a pullback. Oof. Closing right there, chat. Just closed full. W. Closed to 30 pips flat. W. I closed 30 flat. If I held for an extra second, I would have been like 70. an extra 2 seconds. But 30 is good enough. We'll move on to the next one. We'll get this closure here in a minute and a half on the 15, and we'll take another position. Fucking W. So depending on where you closed, you spanked it or you smacked it, whatever you did. W. I got 30 pips, but I also have 9 pips worth of synchronization, so technically it would have been like 39. Incredible. Lovely. Win number 440. That's 129 wins in a row. Social media doesn't really believe that we really do this. They don't believe we really do this. Social media on some bullshit. Anyway, W. Let's update that record and let's lock in for the 15 close here in 20 seconds. That did close below. It closed with no bottom wick. We can make a bottom wick here and ride up. So hold on, let's get rid of all this. Yeah, we need some range to be created on this candle. So NYSE open here is in 14 minutes. Let's see if we can create some range on this. My issue is we can make a bottom wick. We pretty much close right at the level, right? We can say it's right at it. It's too close to really tell. I'd really have to do this to kind of see that closure. I'd have to extend the chart. It was too close to tell. You know, you want it to be a clear and obvious closure and clear range left to come down in the shape of a wick on the previous candle. But we don't have that. We have a closure right at a level. Chance we make a bottom wick and ride up. A lot of you probably have buy stops here on a bullish flip. I do not. I don't play that game, and I will wait for this 30 to close. 30 closes. Think about that. What kind of great position that puts you in. 30 closes. If it closes below the range, if it comes down here, you have range 2 breakouts. You have NYSE open, and you have closures below the range. So you have volume, you have direction, and you'll have timing at that point lined up. But if it closes, if this holds this area, then boom, no harm, no foul, because you know what I mean? You still, you didn't get burned or anything, right? You didn't get in, and it came up. But if it comes down and you don't get in, you'll have it set up for NYSE open to drive. There's no need to take guesses here at this level, up or down. Will it hold? Will it break? Thing with social media is there's so much fake gurus and base to follow you to shitty communities. Yeah, why they take it out on me? Why they show up to my weak ass Instagram with not even 10,000 subscribers and talk shit on my reels, right? Go talk shit on, or are they threatened? Why did I take the impulse sells? Because we broke these wicks and came back to it. We broke these wicks here. I figured after we grabbed this massive top wick, I'm sorry, not massive top wick, after we've had this massive drop, I counted it, right? What was it, 90 pips? Yeah, 90 pips on the dot. I expected a drop to the next support. I still do. If we close like this, we're still going to come down further. I'm scared one day all the pineapples will hit stop loss. Yeah, one day they will. It's happened before, where all the pineapples hit stop loss. I mean, the last time it happened was 6 months ago, but it will happen. We almost never lose. Our last loss was November 27th for 17 pips. We are a couple of weeks away from going undefeated for 4 months. Yeah, that loss number 52 was November 27th. Pineapple had that loss? What do you mean? What's pineapple had that loss? You know, 6 month no losses? That's wild. That's sick. It's like if you're trading every day, that's fucking insane. But you made that loss November. That 17 pip loss, I made it back the very next trade. We were up for the day. I think we lost 17, but we were up for the day or something like that. I don't remember. Gotta go back to it. Is Kenny's birthday tomorrow? Yo, where is my Zoom? I'm sorry, gang. I forgot about you guys. Good. As long as you're all there. Oh, yeah, you're all there. The news trade, 170K. It took a little over 3 weeks. If I remember correctly, it took a little over 3 weeks. Yeah, there's quite a few people in the signals that took that L with me, and then, yeah, we were all back to normal. I think within a month, the entire signal channel was already past wherever that loss came from. Might not be a big deal, but red folder on the next hour. Yeah, I know it. I know it. We said 10 a.m. We looked it up. That we have red folders the rest of the week. Jolts today. Tomorrow, I think we have, what do we have, CPI? Yep, and then we have PPI. Yep, and unemployment claims. And then on Friday, we have consumer sentiment. Damon. I always wanted to name if I had a son, I wanted to name him either Damon or Damien. Damien. Yeah, that's what it was. Not Damon, Damien. Because why not Demon? Well, because there would have been 4 little demons running around. No, you know where I got it from? I got it from DMX. I think when he talks to the devil, his name is Damien. You can still do that, Wix Nice, so you know what to do. Get a Damien? Nah, bro. I only make girls, bro. I'm a jeweler.
Yeah, I hope it's not the same for me, because I started with the girl and she's all me except for the blood. It's the mom's.
Oh, that's right. It was
next one is not a girl again.
Yeah, good luck, man. Me, like, I only make girls.
Keep trying until. I mean, listen. There was some guy who got 7 girls in a row, and then the 8th one was a boy, and that's when they stopped. Maybe you want to keep doing that,
dude. We know people. We got friends that had 3 girls just like us, and they tried for a boy and ended up having twins, 2 girls. So 5 girls, and then eventually the 6th one was a boy. How crazy is that? You got 3 daughters, you go try for another one, and you get, instead of 1 boy, you get 2 more girls.
Hey, they're all blessings. They're all blessings.
Hey, yeah, me personally, I was just like, I don't care if it's a boy or a girl or a Shrek, as long as it comes out fucking healthy. Just let it be a healthy baby, and that's it. And I'll deal with the rest.
Yeah. So when are you trying? You're gonna try again this year?
No, bro. No. I'm done. If anything, I'll just buy one off Amazon.
Seriously?
Yeah, I'll buy one off eBay or Amazon. I spent the last 15 years raising kids. No. I'm good. Plus, I think anymore, and it would get in the way of me being able to give attention. Like right now, I struggle for time to make sure each one gets attention, right? So they don't feel some type of way. And even now, they're all like, "Oh, you don't spend it all the time. You always go with her," or you know, they have that going on. So it's already a battle for attention between them. So I think another kid and it would just be crazy. Nick can do it, so can you? Yeah, but like if he's got a lot of babies, that's just because there's a lot of baby mamas. It's like having a lot of babysitters. I only got 1. Like if I was like a sheik or like a Sultan Wix. Elon can do it, so Elon has fucking robots taking care of his babies. Yo, thank you, Sam. If anybody hasn't known, Nightbot has not been working. For some reason, since my account got hacked, since I got it back, Nightbot has been disconnected. So whoever's running that Nightbot might want to look into his Because, you know what? I don't think he's worried. We need Elon to send Nightbot a letter telling us 5 things that he's done this week, this month. Because if he doesn't show up to work, why are we paying him? Yeah, Nightbot about to go work at McDonald's if he doesn't show up to work. I need Nightbot. I need on my desk a letter from you or an email in my email telling me 5 things you've done this month. 5 productive things you've done this month. If I don't get it, you're out of there. I got you, Toby. Yeah, gang, don't forget, join the Discord for all the valuable discussions. Who needs Nightbot when you have JBot? JBot number 1. All right, NYC open here. It's just ugly, very indecisive. Very interesting here. So typically I'm okay with taking buys back into range 1 if we've bounced off a range 2 support, which we did here. But in this case, in order for us to take buys, this level then for me moves up here, because that's where the clean drive is. There's stuff in the way below here, right? So I need a closure above 29.17. 29.17 flat as a buy back into range 1, because we closed respecting that level, so there's a chance we can reject. And as you can see, so far we made a top wick. If we flip, that's the rejection. We should come back down.
We got a 30-minute lay candle.
What was that?
30-minute lay candle.
No, because then it would need to be bullish. They would have needed to flip bullish and the body be smaller than the wick, not have the body the same color as the wick, or the same direction as the wick, right? So this would have needed to flip bullish. The lay candle is a weak body away from the wick, not in the same direction. Right, so like this is a lay candle, not a bearish candle. The only time a bearish candle is a lay candle is if it's coming from the top, right? Now then, that's a lay candle. So it would have to flip but not drive. This is just bearish candle, and I'd expect to continue with it, not go the other way. It also closed below the range here. Not below range 1. I mean, not below range 2, but still below the range. This is just noise for now. Close below most recent, not a range 2 breakout. I need it below the overall. Can't trade within there. Yeah, the hourly's pretty indecisive here. Look at that hourly. Doji right now, about to flip bullish again. Love when I take the same trade as Wix. Yeah, man, it's amazing. I love it when you guys take the same trade as me before I even trade, or take it on your own, and then you realize I took the same position. That makes me feel good too. That means you're understanding what I'm pointing out, or you're really locking in on what I'm discussing. Like if it closes like this is a lick candle on the hourly. Five minutes here on the futures 4 hour. That's news too, right? Yeah, that's news. $20 for news here as well. Let's see. Can we have positions before? The good thing is the 1 hour flipped. It came up first, came down, flipped, and then, sorry, the 30-minute came up, came down, flipped, and then came up here. Yeah, it came up, flipped and drive, came back up. Wanted to take a buy right there. Damn, that moved too quick. Yeah, that would be 11 pips right there. Alright, gang, I'm gonna take a buy right here. Just took a buy. 29.23 flat. Wanted it a bit lower, around 22 flat areas, but it's alright. Really expecting to fill the top of the range before the news. Once we break the highs, I'll probably go break even here. Alright, and we break the highs. Did it break? I don't like how it's acting up here. There we go, chat. I'm closing full right there. Just closed full. 26 pips. Just closed full at this resistance. Whoa! Well, I closed early. No, I mean, I don't even know if that's early. This is a solid resistance to close at. But W, if you held on, fuck, you're eating. Congrats. Great entry. No drawdown. Sniped it. I got 26 pips. W. 20 minutes here to go for news. Yeah, I wanted an entry off these wicks, but it came down here capping too quick, and then as it came up again, I just took the entry off these wicks right here. This closure plus this wick right here. These wicks. This wick. Closure. This wick. So as we broke that high, I pulled back to it. That's where the entry came off of. With a lot of volume, market's not going to give you a closure and then a bottom wick and a drive up. No, with a lot of volume, it's just going to happen right away. Incredible. W. Caught 40 pips because of the slight delay. Yeah, if stream is so much delay that you guys should have doubled the amount of pips I caught today. Wow, we have now won 130 trades in a row. I would definitely be interested here on the 15-minute if we didn't have news in 15 minutes. Good session. I'm going to take a miss for today's Inner Circle session. Got a long drive tomorrow morning. That's fine. Just there's going to be a recording. I'll drop the recording later. Yeah, I closed at this resistance right here. Canarsie in the house. W. Even with the delay, I generally know what we are doing, what we are going to expect. So I just enter with everyone and enter pineapples where I think you would based on pre-trade analysis. There you go. Makes sense. That's how you learn. Apply the concepts taught here on your own to see them play out in real time and confirm that what you're doing works. Might see another buy off of here, off these wicks right here to the left, but this is too close to news. I'm not gonna play this game here. Yeah, we're gonna let the news tap here. The inner circle will start it at like, we usually start at around 10. We'll start at like 10:15, 10:20. I want to see how the news plays out here. How'd the Knicks do versus the Lakers? That's the game I wanted to see. Did they lose? I missed that one. Yeah, the 5 here, which is the 15, I think. Oh no, it's not yet. The 15 will be here in 30 seconds. Yeah, 5 solid. Just honestly not locked into positions until news. I don't want to be stuck here. But the 5 was great. It's the first initial fill of this steep wick here. So yeah, if you took that 5, that was a good read. Look at this 15 opening up. Look at this bottom wick. The problem is you close right at a level. Yeah, close right at it. You see this wick over here? Close right at it. But when we come up here, man, if news drives you up here, this is going to be clean. Look at this. This is 50 pips worth of clean range. Yeah, this might just take you up before news. Holy shit. Can't do anything though with that closure, right? Close right at a level. You broke the highs here. It could be grabbing orders to flip bearish. Need a closure above. Wicks, do you find that the white lines, when you draw them up, reject more off the body closes or multiple wick rejections? I find that on futures, it tends to reject off the wicks, whereas in spot gold, it'll reject off body closures more often. That's what I've noticed between futures and spot gold. But that's like an internal thing. That's something I internalize and kind of like I don't say it, it's just internally I see what keeps happening, and now that we're talking about it, I realize it just happens more often off the wick than off the body on futures. Lakers lost? No, but how did the Lakers do versus the Knicks? That was the game before the Kings, I think. Hey, 420 watching. News is priced in, it looks like. I don't know. Don't know. I'm not too sure it's priced in. News that's priced in keeps pushing without wicks. Like it doesn't usually pull back like this. When news is priced in, you'll typically, if we're bullish and we're driving bullish, like we'll we will get this closure, right? And when it's priced in, it'll keep doing this. It tends to not really give pullbacks or bottom wicks. This won't happen. This won't happen. Like the news tends to, when it's priced in and it's playing out beforehand, it'll just continue pushing. Yeah, so this candle pushed up with no, if this candle didn't pull back and continue pushing up, I could say, all right, maybe we're priced in here, and that was the news push, and now we can look for pullbacks. Playing with yesterday's high. Today's high is not yesterday's high. So the Nightbot should be working now. All right, let's try it. Am I just buffering? Well, lag killed you, so yeah, you're buffering. I'm good. I want to see if Nightbot works. Doesn't look like it. Copy that URL and save it in your manager moderators. I did. Damn, there's like 100. There's hundreds. There's more. Damn, there's a lot of banned people. But they're mostly burners. Let me get rid of some mods. got rid of like 10 mods. We just lost 13 mods. Chat, we are at 26,699 subscribers. One more brings us back to 26.7. One more sub. Drop a like and sub to the channel. Yeah, we'll select new mods this week. I think we'll add 2 more mods. It'd be nice if you guys could go into, if the current mods could go into the YouTube mods channel on Discord and kind of drop your suggestions for mods. Definitely a lot of job openings in DC today. Yeah, on stream here too. $26.7 done. Let's refresh. $26.7K. Hell yeah. 26.7K. Hell yeah. Only one person? One of you stepped up? Really? We're at 26.7 flat. One of you drops a sub right now, we're back to 26.6. Nah, let's not look back. Let's get past this shit. Fuck. Shout out me, you were 27K. W. See 30K, yeah. Say less on subbing. Assholes. Yeah, I will not mess around with the news here. I'm gonna let it play out. Hold on, chat. I said 10 seconds. I'm not looking for anything here. I'm gonna wait for this to play out. Good numbers. Good numbers. So we should see gold drop. Will it? What time is Trump speaking? 5 p.m. Yeah, looking lovely for a bottom wick to drive up, but news came out good for gold, good for the dollar, so gold should drop. Yeah, we would be in here if there was no news. We're taking buys off this bottom wick. Just can't do it. News. Knock, knock. Come on in. It's only 4 minutes so far into news. I mean, we'll see some movement in the next 5-10 minutes. I'll let this candle rock right now. Flippity. Yeah, there's no one at the Zoom door. Yeah, news came out positive for the dollar, so you'd expect gold to drop here, but it's coming up. It says not Nightbot is logging into YouTube. It's taking a sweet ass time. Can buys work to refill the wick? I'm looking for a close above this most recent on this 15. And even then, I want to break these highs. I really want to push above because I don't want to make a top wick here on the next candle, come down like with the news, right? And then be like, well, the news told us. Yeah, if you're experiencing lag, there's going to be a lot less lag tomorrow. Well, there shouldn't be any lag. I'll fix the stream resolution. But you can just join the signals and be on the Zoom side with no lag. Zoom be ready when I pass the blunt. Straight cheese. Wix 9, is there anything you have changed in your operation since you started streaming? Yeah, it's constantly updated. Like, I don't trade exactly the same way as I did in October. You know what I mean? Like, we're always learning. We're always picking up more stuff. It's not like you've learned everything and you graduate. There's no diplomas here because the learning never stops, right? And we're always optimizing what we're doing. So yeah, quite a bit is different, but I wouldn't say it's different. It's built upon what I've used to do, right? So what I used to do is the foundation for what I do now. Watching all your streams for the 3 years worth of live streams. That's a lot of watching. You better be at 2x speed or something. You want the previous 1 hour high to break? Yeah, because I want to create higher highs. I don't want to create a lower high and we've broken the low here and to break structure. Because once we start breaking structure on the smaller time frame, it opens the door for the market to slowly trickle into the higher time frame doing the same thing. You have educational videos. We got 3 years worth of live streams, and there will be educational videos coming that I am in the process of recording right now. But this is the video in terms of like throughout the stream, right? We discuss ranges, levels, timing, closures, meanings of candles, right? How to read these candles backwards from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, and then vice versa. Verse versa. Yeah, gang. I think we're getting close to calling it and taking this to the signal channel. Yeah, you had a chance to close above, respected resistance here, close below. Like, there's a chance you make a top wick here and come down. I mean, if you don't, great, you'll get closures above and you'll look for more positions, but there's a high likelihood this creates a top wick and comes down back in range here. Okay, how do we get on the waiting list for the signal channel? The signal channel doesn't have a waiting list. That can be joined anytime. The inner circle has a waiting list that I think is open. We'll start doing the intake, I think, in about a week or two. Yeah, I think some of those YouTube options might be going away. You gonna dip us? I'm not dipping you. I might dip on you. I'm gonna dip you. Yeah, this is nice. Maybe this will set up for the 30. Yeah, let's take this into the signal channel. If you're part of the inner circle, I'm gonna drop a new link right now for a new Zoom. And as soon as we close out here, I'll open up that new Zoom. And if you're part of the inner circle, make sure you watch out for that so you can log right back in. We'll be trading there for the next couple of hours. Yeah, my phone is charged. It's been charging. Oh, let me look. Let me see. Oh, it charged to 15%. That's it. 15%. It's like Geico. Geico ass phone. All right, yeah, I would say exactly the same thing that Jay is saying. You guys know what to do. Spam some fucking dubs. Drop a like, sub to the channel, but spam some dubs in the chat here for those dubs. For those 2 wins for 56 pips. One take. They call me Wix One Take. Wix One Take. Amazing. Alright, yep. I think it's starting to come back down here. Yeah, you see, we just spoke about this. I had a chance to come up here 3 times to close above there. 4th time, failed. Flip bearish. Let's see how this closes. There's still potential, but we understood that it needs to flip bearish at some point. Did that, grab bottom wick. Let's see how it closes, and we'll look for positions in the signal channel. All right, Zoom gang, I'll see you in the clubhouse side. Mods, thank you for helping me run the stream. Green, I'm working on it right now, so tomorrow should be good, hopefully. I'll hit you up if something doesn't work. And yeah, signal channel, stay locked in. We're still on the charts for the next couple of hours, and then we'll be in the signal channel tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern for agent session. All right, and if you're part of the inner circle, look out for a new Zoom link in about 5 minutes, and we'll start our session. All right, chat. Love and wisdom to you all. As for me, oh wait, how do the kids do it nowadays? They do it like this now. This is the new heart. Or no, this is how they do it now, right? My 5-year-old comes to me and she's like, Dad. I'm like, what? He's like, no, Dad. Yeah, Nightbot, he's not running yet. Alright. I'm gonna run here. As for me, my time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Don't overtrade, don't overleverage. Manage your account as if you were a risk manager, a fund manager, except you're managing your funds. All right? 30% loss is not acceptable. All right, stay safe out there if you're still trading. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.